But we got a lot on the board to take a look at. First things coming out of the gate when we open up here, we'll be looking at Adobe and PayPal, the signals from yesterday, to see if we want to revalidate. Looks like we probably will. Okay. Again, I know nobody got into booking yesterday, and I didn't think that we would because, the markets were pretty wide, but that thing would have been a home run. I know there were some simulated, some paper fills, so you guys can take that off. Somebody was talking about Marriott yesterday. We didn't do anything here, but stock is down pretty heavily pre-market.